Welcome to the Sarasota County Natural Areas Story Map. Join me on a virtual journey through some of the unique and natural areas of Old Mayaka Preserve. This amazing application invites you to immerse yourself in the wonders of our preserves, parks, and trails. Whether you're planning a trip to these beautiful areas or simply seeking to learn more about Sarasota's outdoor offerings, this experience is for you. Late February into March is an extraordinary time here as we witness the much-awaited return of swallow-tailed kites. These magnificent creatures are a class of hawk-like birds, and their striking black and white plumage, coupled with a distinctive forked tail, make them easy to identify. However, these majestic birds face threats in their habitat. The greatest concern is habitat destruction, which has led them to nest in more unstable, non-native Australian pines, whose branches are vulnerable to breaking during strong winds, resulting in nest failures. Preserving native pines and their habitats is a critical part of protecting swallow-tailed kites. Are you ready to embark on your own adventure? Use our Natural Areas Story Map to learn where to spot these swallow-tailed kites and other fascinating wildlife.